Hey everyone, today I'm going to answer a popular question. Can you save one time photo on WhatsApp? Stick around till the end to learn how this feature works and what options you have. So let's dive in. So, WhatsApp introduced one time photos as a feature to enhance privacy. So, these are the images that disappear after the recipient views them once. So, you cannot screenshot or save one time photo directly in the app. Once opened, they're gone, with no trace left in your chat or gallery. So, WhatsApp uses this feature to ensure sensitive images stay private. It is great for sharing things like personal information or something important without leaving a permanent record. While there is no built in way to save one time photos, here are some workarounds. You can request the sender to resend the photo without the one time use settings, allowing you to save it. But remember, always respect privacy, so do not attempt to save one time photos without consent. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.